Moment of truth. Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining today. In today's episode, we are going to install a ceramic coating on the vinyl wrap behind me. This vinyl wrap is Vivid's Ultra Gloss Nardo Gray. Link up above of me doing the install on this car. And we want to protect it, so we're going to use this product here. It's made by G Technique. It's called Fuse, and it's specifically for vinyl wraps. So this is a 30 milliliter bottle. It's for matte finishes or gloss finishes. So we are going to protect this wrap that's been put on this vehicle. I've already cleaned the car thoroughly. It's ready to apply. We'll do the hood. We'll do the famous water bead test that everyone likes so much. And then I'll even wait a week and take it to the car wash and show you the results. So let's go. All right, before we get started, I'm going to show you what I use. I use a glove, first of all. I prefer a wax applicator pad that I cut into quarters. I just find that's easier to apply. We're going to put 6 to 7 drops on the applicator pad, and then we're going to apply it in straight lines, in a crisscross pattern, in a 2 foot by 2 foot section. So we'll break up the hood into 4 sections, and then later I'll do the rest of the car, but for today's video, I'll just stick to the hood, just for time's sake. So let's get started. Okay, we got the ceramic coating applied. We're going to let it cure, so I'm going to wait until tomorrow to show you the water test. All right, good morning. It is the next day. We got some water here. We're about to do the water test. Let's flip the camera around. Okay, moment of truth. Look at that. This is the flattest part of the hood, and the water just goes downhill. Does exactly like it should. Well, I think that's convincing enough that it works. But we also want to know how easy it is to dry. So I'm going to use my Milwaukee blower here. So let's have a look at that. All right, that was effortless. So washing the vehicle is going to be much easier, and that was the whole point of this ceramic coating. This stuff's supposed to last 2 years. A bottle this size, 30 milliliters, is supposed to be good enough for 2, maybe 3 vehicles depending on their size. I'm definitely a fan. I'd recommend the product. I'll put a link below on where you can buy it. Anyway, if you like today's video, hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and we'll talk to you next time. All right, welcome back to Don's Life. Here is an update for you on Hyper Dip. I made a video on my YouTube channel. People were asking, will it come off in the car wash? No, it won't. Now, if I took my finger and I scraped as hard as I could, I'd be able to, start peeling it, but it's holding up just fine. Been through probably 15 car washes, not an issue. But if you haven't checked out the video, check it out on my Don's Life YouTube channel. Here's the grill, the biggest part that I did. Looks amazing. So if you're not sure if this is something you want to do, I can tell you right now, I like it. It worked out good. It's a great product. It's more durable than Plasti Dip, made by the same company. You can see here I didn't do the innards of the grill. I just did the outside of it. Bit of a contrast there. I think looks great. So there you go, bit of an update. Hope you liked it. Keep watching. Till next time.